Everybody! Did you know that you can mine Bitcoin just from using the internet? And just from having your browser open just for being on it? If you ever need to justify your slightly concerning internet addiction to anybody, well, here you go. Here's another stat. Over 425 million people worldwide are using crypto right now. But let's be honest, most of us aren't out here with giant mining rigs or Wall Street level trading skills. Now imagine this. What if you could earn Bitcoin while binge watching Netflix or shopping online or Googling, can dogs eat avocados? Yeah, well, that's what we're going over today promises to provide, which is the CryptoTab Network, where you can mine Bitcoin while you browse. Is this the real deal or just another crypto gimmick? Well, let's find out. Real quick, I just wanted to highlight that the whole CryptoTab network offers a whole plethora of options. So I'm going to go over the whole mining aspect first, and then I'll go over all the applications they provide to make your life easier and maximize your earnings. So to get started with just the Bitcoin mining browser, it's going to be like getting any other browser, like getting Google Chrome when you first get a new computer. You're just going to search up, or in this case, get your bonus promo with my link down below, and it's going to bring you to this website where you're going to just download and install the browser like you would with any other browser. Open it up and start surfing. But as we've been saying, it's not just a browser, it's a Bitcoin mining browser. So when you first get started, you're going to up to this little button right here. You can see that you have an option of medium CPU usage, high CPU usage. Now, personally, I just leave mine running at this lowest setting here, mining at about 700 hertz a second, which isn't going to make me rich by any means, but it is definitely accruing free Bitcoin over time for essentially nothing. Now, this is variable, so you can turn it up. Say if I'm going out for the night or something, I may just leave it at the max here, and as you'll see, my hash rates will just start to climb and climb. Just like that, our hash rates have doubled, and it will continue to climb a bit and just keep mining Bitcoin for us. The CryptoTab launched in 2018 with one big goal: to make Bitcoin mining easy, accessible, and most importantly, free, with no complicated software, no expensive hardware. Just download, browse, and mine. But here's the kicker. If you're anything like me, the words passive income sounds great, but the words too good to be true sound even louder. So today, we're going to put it to the test and see what we can do. Another aspect of the crypto browser Bitcoin mining section is that it's accessible on all devices. So as you can see here, not only is it running on my computer, I have it running on my phone, and I also have it running on my laptop, just in behind the camera here that I can't really get to right now. So what I like about this is that it's accessible anywhere to anyone. So you could even go to like or get your parents' computer or a roommate or anything and get that to start mining as well. And it can all just be on one collective account. So it's just all one big mining network that is all going to be associated back to you. They even have a Telegram bot that you can get here that is going to mine completely free for you. That it's actually a very new offer. I just found out about it. As you can see, my balance for this one is currently at 0, and I just clicked the link. Now we're earning even more, so it's not bad. Now, as I was saying before, there are a lot of different aspects about their whole network. So my favorite is their NC wallet. And why did they name it the NC wallet and not the CT wallet? Well, that is just because it is a commission-free or a no-charge wallet. So as you can see, you can make your cryptocurrency experience safer, easier with the NC wallet, receive, exchange, and keep your funds with the ability to withdraw without commission. That isn't even my favorite aspect about their wallet. My favorite aspect is that they pay out accrued interest daily. So you can see my account here with a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum sitting in there. And I also like to send my crypto faucets here because I like to send my crypto faucet money here because it just piles up slowly and adds to that daily interest. Now they pay down their CTC native currency token. It is a stable coin, so it is always pegged at $1 USD. As you can see, every day it gets paid out a bit. I had my Go Mining miner deposit a little bit of crypto into my account on the 8th here, so you can see that the daily payout jumps up there. But what I like about their system is compound interest. Every day it will accrue more, and then you get compounded interest on top of that, and it will just keep growing every single day. Another really neat aspect is the no commission in transaction fees and no minimum amount. So what I really like about the wallet is you're able to swap, say, into Bitcoin from their stablecoin, and then the crypto pumps, like the market pumps, and then you can switch it back to the stablecoin. So then when the price decreases, your crypto stays at that same amount. And then when it's going to pump up again, you can just swap it back in for no commission, no fee, no gas, where a whole lot of pretty much every other wallet will charge you gas fees, which makes this method a lot more inefficient. And if you're not trading in the biggest amounts, it almost makes it not worth it to trade crypto for the profit. It's a pretty extensive network. They have a whole variety of different tokens, so that is not a concern either. Only thing I would say is they're not like a platform like BitGet. You're getting the newest cryptos the second it drops and having pre-token event announcements and everything like that. It's more of a safe place to just hold your money, move it around for no fee, and get consistent interest on top of your account. I would also like to highlight before we move on that recently they've came out with their second token, their HSH token here, and I do have to say it is the most steadily increasing crypto that I have seen in a while. I don't know if it's just the way they're rolling everything out, but I don't see any dips, which is actually pretty impressive. I will say that it came out, crypto's been on a bit of a bull run since then, but it might be a pretty safe investment to look into. Now, as I was saying before, there's a whole bunch of other things that crypto. The last way to earn for the browser is their affiliate program. So if you have any friends or family or colleagues that you know interested, how it works is CryptoTab will allocate you a bonus of these 10 level referral system, where you get income from your friends and their friends further on, all the way down the line up until 10 tiers. So the first one, you're going to get 15%, and then that is up to 5 people, and then those 5 people can get 5 more people, and you'll get 10% of that, and then those 5 people, and you'll get 5% of that, and then 5 gets 5 more, 5 more, 5 more. So there really is a great potential to earn with this, just if you know the right people, or if you're really good with networking or affiliate marketing. Let's say you get 5 and they get 5. The approximate income of each breaks down to about, if it was all maxed out, $40,000 a month. So that is with 12 million people becoming affiliated with what you've created. But nonetheless, the potential is there, and it can actually be pretty lucrative. CryptoTab also offers CryptoTab Farm, which is essentially a system for managing all of your different devices. If you do mine with a couple different devices, you can keep it all. It's a really simple way you can manage all of your miners and see everything that's going on in all the stats. They do also have their own VPN service. So if you are looking for a VPN, they have a very user-friendly, straightforward. As you can see, you can select different apps to use. And if you are a user of CryptoTab, you're going to get 85% off. Now they also have the CryptoTab Pool, which is essentially a cloud miner. So what it is you choose the format that works for you. Telegram, your phone, your computer. You select the hash rate and you enjoy stable mining. So it's essentially you pay, let's see if we went for 24 months, 300 kilohertz. You just select that, come over here, and as you can see, it's approximately $676 or 0.0072 Bitcoin. And for the next 24 months, this miner is just going to mine for you. You can crank it all the way up to 20 megahertz, which is going to be $45,000. Or if you're looking to just make a simple investment, you can start off for as little as $13 for 25 kilohertz for 3 months. The one thing that is very commendable about the CryptoTab network is the way they have set things up. You can withdraw whatever you've mined at any time for no fee. So it's not like you have to wait all the way till the end of the mining process and then you get the whole lump sum, and the whole time you're just waiting to do something with it. They also offer a NFT crypto mining service where you purchase a NFT for a set value and it will mine a certain amount for time, and after that ends, then it stops mining. Now, I did use their platform in the past. The only aspect that I wasn't really a fan of was there's a mandatory membership fee, so you do have to pay and continually renew the membership to keep mining. Also, the miners, you had to go on and physically restart them like every 6 hours. So when you were sleeping, you would usually miss a chunk unless you buy one of their add-ons that keeps the miners going, but it costs more money. The whole system, it just felt very lucrative, and unless you're willing to invest quite a lump sum of money, you're going to get a profit out of it, and it's going to be more of a headache than anything else. Here's the thing with crypto. For every success story of someone making millions, there's about 100 stories of someone getting scammed, hacked, and just downright disappointed. So let's face it, trusting a random app to mine Bitcoin while you browse feels about as safe as leaving your wallet at a house party at first. So naturally, I went on full detective mode. I read the reviews, stalked the forums, and even reached out to a few users and figured out if CryptoTab is legit or just another flashy promise with nothing under the hood. My personal first impressions of CryptoTab, specifically the browser, was it was really easy to set up. You just download it within a couple minutes, you have it installed, up and running. There's no weird hoops to jump through, no confusing algorithms. It's just a browser that feels like Chrome with a little bit of Bitcoin magic in it. How it works is pretty straightforward. CryptoTab uses your processing power to mine Bitcoin when you have the browser open. But don't worry, it's not going to turn your laptop or your computer into a space heater. You can adjust the mining speed. If you're feeling cautious, set it low. Feeling adventurous, crank it up a little bit, and let your devices do the heavy lifting for you. Now, I believe CryptoTab has a vast amount of potential, especially if you are within a community in the crypto space. If you can start a little team with friends and family and have your referrals grow, you can quite easily live off of CryptoTab and what they provide with next to no worry. All in all though, I've had CryptoTab personally running here for about 2 months in the background, not maxing it out, not running it 24/7. I don't have any referrals right now, and I wasn't using a ton of devices. With a little bit more knowledge and effort, and if you're someone for a knack of getting referrals, you can easily make a great amount of money, passive income with CryptoTab and Bitcoin. So it's only going to appreciate, and eventually, soon, we aren't even going to be able to mine it anymore. When it comes to the value, what's $10 today could be $100 tomorrow. So is CryptoTab legit? Absolutely. It's not going to make you a crypto millionaire. Well, probably not. But it's a fun, low-risk way to dip your toes into Bitcoin mining without breaking the bank or your brain. It's kind of like finding loose change in your couch cushions, except this change might actually increase in value over time. Plus, if you're already spending hours online, why not let CryptoTab work for you? Now I'm curious, have you tried CryptoTab before? Do you think it was worth it, or was it just digital pocket change? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. I make sure I read every single one. Now if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next earning videos, where I'll dive into even more ways to make passive income online. And hey, if you're ready to try CryptoTab for yourself, just click the link in the description. It helps support the channel too, and it might kickstart your crypto journey. Happy browsing, happy mining, and happy stacking that crypto.